like we got some mail. Now we're gonna spray it down. Oh, nice. It's our Fidelity Visa Rewards card. This is what the card looks like. It's a nice shiny green. It's different, but I like it. Welcome to Think Money with Benny. Here on the channel, the goal is to build passive income in the stock market. In this video, we're talking about Fidelity's Visa Signature Credit Card. I'm going to show you how I plan to use this card as a tool to grow my dividend income portfolio faster. Credit cards are one of my favorite financial tools to building wealth. I'm going to show you what I've been doing.
You got to change what you're doing.
Well, what do you mean change what I'm doing, Dave? I know how to manage my credit cards. I know what I'm doing, and I'm always on top of it.
So, we don't borrow money.
But I'm not borrowing money, Dave. I always pay it back.
We don't borrow money ever.
Right. I'm just doing it for the reward points and just to build my credit.
Always.
And I'm always paying it back. Yes, I'm always paying it.
We always save and invest. Always.
I know that.
We always live on less than we make. No matter what we make, we're going to live on less than that. We will adjust the lifestyle till it be under what we make.
I don't spend more than what I make, Dave.
So pardon me if I think your little credit card points are stupid.
But
pardon me. Pardon me if I think when you lease your car, it makes you look shallow because you're defining yourself by what you drive, and you're driving something you can't freaking afford because you didn't pay for it.
I gave it back, Dave.
Pardon me.
All right, Dave, calm down. This video is for people already investing, not for those who have problems with credit card debt. If you follow my channel, you know I'm big on dividend growth investing. In this chart, you can see the progress I've been making since I began last April. I love seeing my portfolio generating cash, reinvesting that cash, and seeing it compound over time. That is my preferred investing strategy. Now you may be wondering, what does a credit card have to do with investing? Before I explain, collecting credit cards and building my credit score has been a long time hobby of mine. I'm not just a random YouTuber making a credit card video for high ad revenue. In terms of transparency and establishing trust with my audience, I have 25 credit cards with a credit score of 820, 0 late payments, in 12 years building credit, currently at a 2% usage with an available credit line of 116K. Now this number means absolutely nothing in my opinion. In fact, available credit is the reason why so many people get into trouble. The purpose of this video is not to persuade anyone to open a credit card account, but rather show you what I'm doing and how it's going to benefit me, and talk about how to use a credit card the right way. If you have any questions in regards to building a solid credit score, leave your questions down in the comments below. So first of all, in order to take full advantage of this card, you will need a brokerage account with Fidelity. My last 3 videos have been about me leaving Robinhood and One Finance and joining Fidelity. I can't stress enough how I'm happy about transferring. I'm not gonna get into explaining why here. I've already went into detail discussing this topic, so make sure you check out this video if you're interested. The link will be posted up above. Let's take a look at what the card features. Earn unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase. That's a good rate compared to other cards. No annual fees. I've never had a credit card with an annual fee, and I don't think I ever will. No limits on reward points and no restrictive categories. That's nice to have, being that other cards restrict categories. Reward points do not expire. Okay, let's calculate rewards and look at an example. Tell us how much you charge each month. So let's say you spend $500 a month on bills and necessities. That might be your phone bill, utilities, reoccurring charges. You would get back $120 annually, which turns out to be $10 monthly. It might not seem like much, but this will have a positive impact in your portfolio. See, the main reason I got this credit card is because of this feature right here. Link to Fidelity account. Deposit your rewards into one account or divide them among several. As you can see, I've already linked the credit card into my Fidelity account, right under my portfolio balance. The reason this credit card is special is because it acts like a dividend paying stock. Think about it. Assuming you're a responsible adult who has bills every month, there's no reason at all for you to be paying your bills with cash or a debit card, which in both cases, you will get a zero return. If you use your Fidelity credit card to pay for everything instead, you're automatically getting cash back deposited into your brokerage account, which you can either A, take that cash out, or B, reinvest that cash into your dividend paying stocks. If you continue to do this month after month, this will help speed up your portfolio's growth. So this is the email they send you once you get approved. Welcome and congrats on being approved for the Fidelity Visa Signature Card. Your revolving credit line is 13.7K. Now obviously that differs from person to person. Earning cash back has never been easier. No matter where you shop, you'll get unlimited 2% cash back to help you fund your fund or save for the future. Now with other cards you might get a 3% cash back, but that might be on certain categories. For example, you might only be able to get that if you shop at a grocery store or a supermarket. With this card, you're automatically getting 2% on any purchase. Here's how it works. Use your card for everything from big ticket items to everyday expenses. Redeem for cash back into your eligible Fidelity account. Now this means that all your points and rewards will go straight into your brokerage. You can also use your points for travel, merchandise, gift cards, and statement credits. The only downside to this card is that there's no sign-up bonus. Normally, I sign up to new cards just for the intro bonus. That's the reason I have so many cards. I jump from one card to the next to take advantage of the sign-up bonuses. I have a saying that goes, take advantage of credit cards. Don't let them take advantage of you. I'll give you an example. The camera I'm recording with cost me $700 with tax. I ended up only paying $500 with the sign-up bonus from the Chase Unlimited credit card, which was spend $500 and get $200 right back. And then I received another $100 for referring someone, and they also got $100 as well. I'll put my referral link down in the description. If you get accepted, you also get $100 credit. Let's go ahead and look at a few other credit cards to compare and see what they're offering. So here we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, and the first thing that stands out is the $95 annual fee. As I mentioned, I don't do those, so we will be skipping that one. Here we have the Bank of America Cash Rewards Credit Card. There's no annual fee, and the sign-up bonus is get $200 after spending at least $1,000 in the first 90 days. I've taken advantage of this card. It's pretty good. I like it. 3% cash back on select categories. Here we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which has a very expensive annual fee of $550. So we will not be taking a look at that. Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card, no annual fee, and there is a sign-up bonus, which is 25,000 points after spending 1,000 within the first 90 days. I've also taken advantage of this card, so it's good in my book. So that's kind of what's going on right now in the credit card marketplace. If you're going to sign up for a credit card, I highly recommend that you sign up for a card that's going to offer you a sign-up bonus. That way you can take advantage of the free money. As I mentioned before, there's just no reason to be paying for anything with cash or your debit card. The only things I pay for in cash is Chinese food, haircuts, and going out to the strip. In all seriousness though, if you're watching this video, I'm sure I don't have to coach you on how to spend your money and explain that you shouldn't overspend on your credit cards. You're already doing the right thing by watching financial videos on YouTube. It's really the other crowd who needs to see this type of content. Most of you watching understand that the borrower is slave to the lender. With that being said, stay out of debt, save money, think money. If you got any value out of watching this video, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.